Okay, so the glass is on the frame, perfectly fitted in and lined up in the front. Now we have to fit the covers. First we fit the back cover, then we fit the side covers. And to get the cover to like line up really nicely over here and at the back here, when you close it, it must just touch over here. It does require us to sand or file or grind away some of the glass. An easy way to do that is to take is to fit this guy in place, make a mark over here where you're gonna fit this, and then just grind away that last little piece of the glass itself until this is at the angle that you want it at. I'll just show you, once we close this here, basically you want to have a tiny little gap like this all the way around. That little gap, it's about 2 millimeters, 3 millimeters. You don't want it actually on the skin, because then what happens is the vibration takes away the paint on the skin. To make sure that it doesn't touch, that's what this piece of sponge is over here. So as you close the canopy, this rear piece, the covering strip, actually just comes onto the sponge like that, and it seals off perfectly all the way around. So you have to take a bit of time to get this to fit. To help you line these guys up, what you do is you clamp these side pieces in place over here, lining it up in the front. Can you see over here? You line that guy up in the front. You see this little step here is to allow it to go over the frame over here, so it doesn't grind onto the frame. Front end of the cover goes above the frame there, and that step there just prevents from actually scratching. And you line it up perfectly along here like this. Then you line this guy up, you make marks with pens, and then you start with the fitment. And to keep this guy stuck on, we use the double-sided tape, that high-strength double-sided tape. That's all that we do here, excepting we put a few screws in. We've got 1, 2, 3 screws here, and 1 screw here right in the front. Those are the little button head M3 screws that you'll see in your pack. There's 3 aside, at least 4 aside for that side. So these covers are, as I said, are kept in place, perfectly aligned with the double-sided tape. And here at the back you could put 2 pieces of double-sided tape, and on the side here you can put 1 piece. This line here, that's paint. We paint this on with just normal satin black, normal Duco spray paint that you can buy at the hardware shop. You mask it off very carefully. You mask that edge off very carefully to be in line with the frame. You can see the frame is just inside here. Mask it over, and then you paint that satin black strip over there. You do the same over here in the front. That's the frame in the inside, which has been painted your grey color. But on the outside here, you paint your black satin Duco spray paint. And the reason you must paint it is because the UV light will damage the Sikaflex eventually, and the Sikaflex will let go. And to protect the Sikaflex, you just put a layer of paint over it here. You do the same in the front there. You can see that's the guy there. You can see how this is sealed off. The frame is sealed off right here at the back. Nice, neat, tiny little gap all the way around, so it stops the air coming back in. Does mean that you have to sand the frame quite a lot. Works perfectly.